Hello YouTube, quick update video today. I know it's been a while since I put out a video. Thank you to all the new subscribers that I do have. I really appreciate it, guys. I'm really looking to grow my channel. Many of you guys might have came from my drone videos. I am planning on putting out many more videos. As you know, DJI the other day recently announced their new drone, the Mavic Air. I went and ordered the base model right away. So I do plan on doing many more videos here shortly as soon as that does become in my hands. Hopefully within coming days and weeks there'll be quite a few more videos out here as well. Testing the distance, the battery, its ability to maneuver around objects with some of the new updates and technology that they put in it. As well as some many more videos as well. I am going to California here in about a month. I hopefully plan on putting up a travel video, hopefully getting good video from the Mavic Air out there, as well as hopefully new incoming tech as well. I'm considering getting DJI the Osmo Mobile 2 that was recently announced at CES a couple weeks ago. If I get that, I do plan on doing an unboxing of that as well, and some more videos about that. That'll be my first experience. But thank you guys all for joining me. This is just a quick update video to all my new subscribers. There will be a lot more videos posting here as well. My name is Brad, the channel Behendo15. I'm on all the social media, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all by that same name. So please follow me, guys. I will be posting many updates as soon as I get the Mavic Air in my hands in a couple days. And please be sure to stay tuned. There's possibly a giveaway in the coming future as soon as I hit either 50, 75, or 100 subscribers. There might be one at each, and that could be tech related, gear, cameras, and so forth. So please make sure to give this video a like in the description down below, and leave your comments on what you want to see regarding the Mavic Air and any other videos. Thank you guys. You guys all have a good afternoon.